What's up, kitchen gamblers? Let's make the crispiest, juiciest fried chicken right at home. I promise you, once you try this, there's no going back to restaurant fried chicken again. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. In a bowl, I've got 6 chicken drumsticks. Now we're giving them a flavor back. Add about 250 ml of ayran or buttermilk, 60 ml of pickle juice, yes, that secret kick, 2 teaspoons of paprika, a tablespoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, and whatever seasoning you love. I'm using peri peri because why not? Bring the heat. This might be the best fried chicken you'll ever make. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, a teaspoon of mustard, and a little salt. Give it a good mix. Now if you've got time, let it marinate overnight. Trust me, the longer it sits, the juicier and more flavorful your chicken will be. But 3 hours will still give you amazing results. While that's chilling, let's make a quick dip, because what's fried chicken without a killer sauce, right? In a bowl, I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayo, half a teaspoon mustard, 1 tablespoon sriracha, half a tablespoon onion powder, a pinch of black pepper, and squeeze in half a lemon. Oh, and a tiny dash of ketchup for that balance. Mix it up and boom, dip done. Creamy, spicy, and just perfect with crispy chicken. Alright, time for the crunch coat, the part everyone loves. In another bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon onion powder, 2.5 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon black pepper, a teaspoon of your favorite seasoning, yep, peri peri again. Add half tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, and a half tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon salt. Mix everything well. Now comes the fun part. Coat that marinated chicken in your seasoned flour. Here's a little tip. Press and twist the chicken clockwise while coating. That's how you get those beautiful flaky crumbs that make the perfect crunch. Now heat your oil to around 300 Fahrenheit. Don't go too hot or the outside will burn before the inside cooks. Drop the chicken in gently and fry until golden brown and crispy. If you have a thermometer, make sure the internal temperature hits 165 Fahrenheit. That's when it's perfectly cooked, juicy, and safe to eat. Just look at that golden crust. Absolute perfection. Can you hear the crunch? Oh yes, that's the sound of happiness. Now grab your dip, take a bite, and tell me that's not the best fried chicken you've ever made. It's spicy, tangy, juicy, and perfectly crispy, everything you want in one bite. If you try this recipe, tag me. I'd love to see your crispy creations. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this with your foodie friends, because everyone deserves this level of crunch in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.